One of the most fascinating things to find out about trauma is how it impacts your brain. First, we need to know your brain. When speaking about how trauma impacts the brain, we're going to learn about your upstairs versus your downstairs brain. In this visual, you can see the downstairs brain includes breathing, and that's where your fight, flight, or freeze response is. Your upstairs brain controls your critical thinking, your body control. Your upstairs brain encourages you to go play, and it's also where you hold your ability to show empathy. This visual is provided from The Whole Brain Child, which was written by Dr. Dan Siegel and Dr. Tina Bryson. So here's what we know about our downstairs brain. The downstairs brain includes the limbic system and brainstem and controls your survival functions, which are to breathe, eat, and sleep. Children are born with their downstairs brain already intact. Trauma will cause the downstairs brain to overdevelop and the upstairs brain to underdevelop. Trauma triggers the amygdala, part of the downstairs brain, which is the watchdog part of the brain. It triggers a response called fight, flight, or freeze. The upstairs brain. The upstairs brain, or the cortex, controls higher functions of complex thought, reasoning, emotional processing, speech, and self-regulation. The upstairs brain is developed through experiences. Trauma can rewire this part of the brain to be underdeveloped. The damage that trauma can cause to the upstairs brain can make children from trauma developmentally half of their chronological age. For example, an 8-year-old with exposure to trauma could act developmentally like a 4-year-old.